Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of Burning Man 2022 Waking Dreams, and this is the Monday before the man burn. I knew that for our camp, we had to volunteer a bar shift, which is about 6 to 8 hours, and I signed up for Monday because I wanted to get it out of the way so that I can enjoy the rest of the week. But I didn't know that we were also supposed to volunteer our time elsewhere. But don't worry, I was able to do that the same day because of a thunderstorm. But we can't put a fucking pickle in his dick.
That's like sounding to a whole nother level.
Gross.
You said it, not me.
Working the bar was actually surprisingly fun. We got to meet people from all over the world, including Brazilians, and everybody took a shot ski after doing a truth or dare Jenga. What you have to do is you have to say truth or dare before you pull out the Jenga piece. You have to complete the truth or dare before you get a shot. If you don't have your own cup, you pour it in the shot glass that is melded to a ski, and you do a shot ski with a random person or a friend. How many fingers is that? 20?
That's a lot of fingers.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh shit, 30. Shit.
I'm taking off at 06-900.
But are you flying a chopper or a plane? Okay, cool. Tight. Yeah. This is so flipping cool, man. It's so... Center camp.
Title of this is Burning Man in Psychotherapy. Evidence of self-healing. Please welcome to our stages, Craig and Black. Before I begin my talk,
Trying to find artist check-in. The wisha. Okay. Are our pictures on the wall then?
I'll do that here.
Fire. Yeah. Look at all these fire folk. Wow. Hey, that's like what we do. Literally. Okay. All fire performers are required to sign in here.
I'm 99% sarcasm, so that's just how it goes sometimes.
And coincidentally, we were there right as Crimson, the lady in the red corset, who has been a fire performer for Burning Man for a very long time, probably almost since the beginning, but lights the flame that stays lit the entire Burning Man, and that's the flame that we use to burn the man with. The flame is lit by a magnifying glass that Crimson uses the sun to ignite this pyre. Apparently this happens every year, but I've never witnessed it, and of course the year that I am performing with my fire conclave, I get to witness it. How special.
building like a little pile of wood out here, so anybody that goes by can just.
Ah, very nice. I see that, yeah, fire spinners are coming in. Nice. Okay. Wait, do a 360 for me. Oh, it's so good. I love it. It's so good. Wait, can you give me a little bit? Yes. Oh, they even have lashes. Gotta pay my respects to the most powerful thing a woman can own. Do fish have vaginas? Probably. This guy. Check out this Golden Gate Bridge art card that passed by. It also twinkles at nighttime, which is really cool. These are the lantern lighters. Every day they meet up and go down the aisle that leads all the way to the man in order to light the way to the man at nighttime. It's really cool watching them do this, and this group is made up of a bunch of volunteers. Hens, owls, I don't know what the other side is. Oh, dragons. And the other one was lions. Oh my God. Flaming turtle! Wow! Fire! Yes!
Works, you just gotta dial one.
One?
Yeah.
I am a pastafarian myself, and I saw the flying spaghetti monster. So.
Flying spaghetti monster is busy doing nudes. Yeah, it's so good. Spill your guts. Oh God, the bumper push. What?
Who do you know? What is your God? You said, oh my God.
Oh
So.
my God, you know.
No, I don't. I asked. That's why I asked you.
I don't have one really.
What do you worship then?
Okay, 9:45 and E. 9:45 and E.
With me.
Yeah, CBD massages.
I was just making a rap for a second.
Okay, I pay ice cream. Actually, I'm gonna be ice cream. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, I love it so much.
Look at you, all clean.
With like the stars as the sprinkles. Ah! Yes. Yeah, it's so good.
Now you're with me.
So this year I gifted all of these people necklaces with lights on them, and since they were new, they didn't have a lot of lighting at nighttime, and you don't want to be a dark wad while you're walking around because people might run over you with their bikes. Also, it started thunderstorming, and after all of the equipment was put up and a light rod, we had to take all of that down just in case lightning struck the camp. So this is where my volunteering came in. Girl, that lightning though. Okay, we're gonna help these guys with the thing.
No, put them in the truck over here.
No, the trailer. Where you camping? Okay.
We pulling these guys down because it's gonna be a storm and we don't want it to be a thing. Okay, bye. Humping them, set back up after the storm. Jeremy is helping them reset up after that lightning storm. It's been 4 hours since we've been here. We're figuring it out. UFOs, bro. Hey, this is where you see them with an ostrich. So this was our first trip to the temple. The temple is where everybody puts their memorials or remembrances, and this burns the day after the man. It's a more solemn space that you can go to feel closer to the ones that have passed away or contribute something that you are happy to burn and move on in your life. This is Charlie the Unicorn. This is a art car based off of Charlie Visits Candy Mountain, and this was a meme animation from way back when. We actually camped with them in 2015 or 2016, and we heard that this was the last year that Charlie was gonna be out on the playa, and so we got on and tried to find people that we camped with back then, but we didn't really see anyone that we knew. But they still had their candy cane stripper poles, and the horn was still shooting fire. We were able to press the button for the horn when we camped with them previously, and yeah, it was a great way to kind of like come full circle and, you know, pay our visits to this Candy Mountain pink hump of a unicorn. The last thing we really saw this evening was this moon dome that kind of looked like cheese also, with a really cool interior. Anyway, that concludes day 2 of Burning Man Waking Dreams 2022. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share so that other people can learn more about this culture, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you know when I have the next day out. And until next time, keep curious everyone. Jack out.